Hey guys, Bob here at Turn 4 Automotive Performance in Gray, Maine. I'm going to start another review series for you. This time we're going to go into tires. We've done a lot of wheel reviews for you. Now it's time to figure out what we're wrapping those wheels in. So the tires are what brings your car to the road. So we're going to start out this tire series by going with one of my favorite brands of tires, General Tire. This is the General GMax RS, their ultra high performance summer tire that was released last year. Very good tire. Awesome speed ratings, tread wear, traction ratings. These things give great grip, are available at a fairly low price for these ultra high performance summer tires in comparison with the Goodyear Eagle F1 and BF Goodrich Comp TA2s and Conti Extreme Contacts. These tires come in below the price range all the time. So General Tire, they have their replacement tire monitor. It's written right in the middle tread block. You'll see when that word disappears that we're showing you here on the screen, that means we're going to have to replace these tires soon. So it keeps your eyes on the tires and what you need. Very good wearing tire. These don't have a real shallow middle block or deeper side blocks like some of these other performance tires do. This specific tire, 235/40/18, designed for a Focus ST is what we're putting it on. Speed rating of a Y. Y is 186 mile an hour speed rating. So always check your speed ratings. Make sure they're at least what your car requires or better. You can always go up in tires, do never go down in tires. So check your speed ratings, make sure they're all right. Tread wear on this one, specific tire here is a 360. 360 tread wear is middle of the road. That's where you're going to get, start getting into your higher performance tires, but still a little bit of longevity out of these. And you can easily see 25, 30,000 miles out of these tires when cared for and rotated correctly. You have a traction rating of a AA traction rating. So the highest traction rating available that the UTGQ is available is the AA, A, B, or C. So these are AA rated. Temperature rating of an A, again, the highest temperature rating available. Resistance to slipping and getting all greasy. These tires will stick with you. This is the ultra high performance summer. So these are a summer only tire, spring, summer. Maybe into the fall, but do not run these tires below 40 degrees. These things get really, really slick and really bad in cold weather. So don't run these tires. If you're going to run something year-round or 3-season that you might encounter snow or something like that, go with the General GMax AS05. We'll be reviewing those soon, but that's their all-season tire. Very strong tire, still ultra-high performance, still your AA and A traction and temperature ratings, but in a compound that will be available for those winter months and further. So as we said, the Smart Grip technology is something General Tire came out with. They give you short-footed. The shoulders are nice and strong on these tires. It doesn't have a big square block on the shoulder, so grip just gives up. These also have the Stabilitrak Technology. As you said, big wide grip on these tires. Wide channels in between to channel the water away if you do get in the wet. These are great dry and wet traction. They already talked about the replacement tire monitor that's built into these tires, and they also have a directional tread design. So lefts and rights on these tires, have them put on by your tire shop. A good directional design with the sipes that go one way or the other. So thank you. Go ahead and give us a subscribe. Follow us for more tire review videos, and we'll see you later.